Hi, I'm here today with Abby Hall, a law partner in my Memphis office, who just had a huge win at the Court of Appeals on an issue that is near and dear to many of my clients' hearts. And the way I would describe it in layperson's terms is, how long do I have to co-parent with this idiot? But Abby is going to describe it for us in legal terms and explain to us the answer to that question. Abby?
Thank you, Anne. I think what you're describing is called termination of parental rights. And how it works is, a parent has a fundamental right to the care and custody of their child. However, that right is not absolute. The statutes in Tennessee make it clear that there are certain circumstances when a court will consider terminating another parent's parental rights. Those circumstances include when a parent has maybe failed to visit for a period of time, failed to pay support for a period of time, has committed a crime, or is suffering from a mental illness that prohibits them from being able to properly parent. Now, just because you have one of those grounds, it does not mean that that parent's rights will be terminated. There's a second step. You have to be able to establish by clear and convincing evidence that termination is in a child's best interest. So, for example, just because a parent hasn't visited that child for a number of months because they were hospitalized, let's say, but for example, they were in the hospital for several months, doesn't necessarily mean that the court's going to terminate that parent's rights if absent the hospitalization there was a healthy parent-child relationship. Now, let's say there's a parent who has become addicted to drugs and run away with a woman he met on Craigslist and has not been heard from, seen, or otherwise, communicated. The court can consider that fact when deciding if termination is in a child's best interest. So very fact specific. The best advice is consult with a qualified counsel. Tell them what's going on with you and your child, and they will help you decide what to do next.
Well, Abby, thanks.
You're welcome.
And I think Abby's given us all something to think about. Sometimes we feel like the person that we're co-parenting with is really doing a poor job. But I think some of the things that Abby's described show you what the courts look at to find out if they're doing a job that's bad enough that they can't see their children. So, as Abby said, call a lawyer if this is an issue that's important to you. Take care. God bless.
Thank you.